me see if this helps answer your questions. So I'm looking at my external hard drive again. I'm going to go to my family photos folder. Okay, so here are the pictures I am still working my way through to scrapbook. I'm going to go to the 2020 folder, and I'm going to go to May, and I'm going to show you some pictures I have not tagged yet. Okay, so I'm going to go down here to my May 2020 tag or category, and I'm going to create a new category, hike. Okay, so what I'm going to do is these pictures from our little hike yesterday, I'm going to select them all, so I'm just left clicking and hitting the shift to select all the ones, and I'm just going to drag them over with a left click to hike. So then you see this little tag shows up. So those are now tagged, and then like here's a few other ones that I have not tagged yet. You can see they don't have the little tags yet, so I'm just going to select those as well, and I'm going to put them in week 1 because I'm not sure if they're going to be individual pages yet. So I'm going to put those in week 1. Okay, so now you see I am still Family Photos 2020, May 2020. So I'm still in my original folder now, so I can see everything that's in that folder. But if I go click on one of these categories, it just shows me the category hike, and it says it here. So I can click on those and pull them straight into Photoshop, or if I wanted to go into that big folder again, I would right click and go up to where it says go to file, and then that takes me back to that original folder with all of those categories. Does that make sense? Same way, for example, let me find one of the scrapbook designers. So here is like a retired scrapbook designer. All of her scrapbook kits, I have them right here. So I can see all of those kits. It's just showing the category. Now if I wanted to go into that, because these are just the previews, I'd have to right click and hit go to file, and then it's going to take me into all of the elements. It's taking me into that folder where all of the supplies are. Or then I could hit the up arrow, and then that's going to take me into the bigger category of JD Day. Does that make sense? Hopefully that helped. And ask me any other questions you have, because I love ACDSee, and it is, I think, a life changer. I've been using it so long now, I don't even know how I scrapbooked without it. And I'm pretty sure that I probably only did a year or two without it. So, but yeah, so that, like I said, you just click on those and it breaks them down. It is the best thing ever, I think.